Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by backing up your Steam OS image and any save files. This protects data and speeds recovery. Once done, ground yourself with an ESD strap and gather a PH00 driver, plastic pry tool, and the correct 2242 NVMe SSD. Make sure the deck is fully powered off and unplugged. Next, remove the visible rear screws and separate the back cover carefully, working from a corner to avoid clips. This gives you immediate access to the internal layout, so you can identify the SSD and battery connector. You must disconnect the battery cable first to avoid shorts. This is essential. Then unscrew the SSD retention screw and gently slide the NVMe module out at a low angle. Inspect the slot for debris and align the replacement 2242 SSD with the notch before inserting it the same way, low angle, then press down to the standoff. Once seated, reinstall the retention screw and double-check the module sits flat. Make sure no cables are trapped under the module and that the thermal pad, if present, is correctly positioned. After securing the SSD, reconnect the battery cable and reattach the back cover, tightening screws until snug. Do not over-tighten. Next, boot from a USB recovery or your Steam OS restore image to partition and install the OS. This ensures correct drivers and bootloader. Once installed, verify storage and run a quick game or benchmark. If the deck fails to detect the drive, power down, reseat the SSD and screw, and try the restore USB again. This single troubleshooting tip solves most recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.